Hi, today I want to show you how easy it is for you to set up your email signature on the platform. So the very first thing that you have to do is you need to sign in. If you are new, you can go to sign up. If you already have an account, you can choose the method of signing you want to go with. If you just want to use Gmail, you can use your Gmail, or you can still use your custom email. So from here, I'll use my Gmail. It will take a couple of minutes or seconds. I'm basically in the local environment, so that's why it's taking time a bit. Then you go to your profile avatar on the top right here. Then you can go to user profile. Once you in the user profile, um, it might look like this, like it's bolding like this, right? So we want to add our title, job title, phone number, address, and the website, right? So in this case, first I'll come here and then I'll add the company that I work for. Okay, this is the company that I work for example. Then I'll come here, I'll put the title I hold for that particular company. Let's say in this case, I'm the head of principal engineering, and then the website will be something relating to your company. The number, you can add your mobile number. Let's say my mobile number is, let's say, plus 6 and then like so. This is my mobile number. And then the address, I can put, let's say this one. Yeah. Then once you're satisfied with these details, you can see there's literally no much changes here. You still can't see much of these details. You can click on the generate professional signature, then boom, you see these nice looking details. Once you're satisfied, like everything's okay, and of course, if you are someone who can do a bit of customization, you can still check what you don't need. If you don't need this one, you want to replace to something different, you can always make those changes. And then after that, you can simply save. So when you save this, the next time you're sending out an email campaign, this signature will be embedded to that campaign, right? Yeah, so that's all I wanted to demonstrate, and hopefully you find it useful.